You're most welcome to Tanzania. It's my hope you are going to make the most of it in Tanzania. But today we are going to Materuni. Materuni is the home of Chaga people in the Chaga tribe. So we are going to visit Materuni village, whereby we are going to learn some different ways, the way local people of Chaga from Materuni make their own cup of coffee, their local dishes. Also, we can have nature walking to Materuni Waterfalls.
Jambo bwana, habari gani? Uzuri sana wageni, wakaribishwa wapi Kilimanjaro. Hakuna matata, tembea pole pole, hakuna matata. Tanzania ndiyo hapa, hakuna matata.
Also, the elevation of Materuni is around 1,500 meters above sea level, so we are going in high elevation. And if you are lucky enough, we can see Mount Kilimanjaro on the way, because we have some good viewing point of Mount Kilimanjaro. So Tanzania is welcoming you, Materuni is welcoming you. It is my hope you are going to make the most of it in Materuni and the rest of your day in Tanzania, or if you have not yet gone to the safari. So karibu sana.